This artwork by Brice with the title Untitled 5 was created in 2005 and exhibited in 2006 as part of a solo exhibition called Night Vision held at the Goodman Gallery in Johannesburg. This remarkable artwork draws your attention to the central female figure who is empowered by returning the gaze and leaving the viewer to question their own role as spectator. Brice often plays with the themes of subjectivity, femininity, identity, and perspective in her artworks. This large-scale artwork by Brice was created in 2009 with the title 10 Years Gone. This artwork is skillfully rendered with thin layers of ink in pastels, pinks and greens. This plays to the psychological as well as the physical landscape of Trinidad. We are honoured to offer both these remarkable artworks coming up in our flagship March sale on the 19th of March.